Everyone. So, and in the previous video, we were talking about the youth in Nazi Germany. So, we'll continue this topic. So, I was telling you about the spirit of national socialism. That was the youth organization to educate German youth. So, students, here are some youth organization here. We can see it was divided in three sections. First was as per the age. Okay, first was 10 to 14 years age, and second 14 to 18 years age, and the third one is 18 and above. Okay, 18 above. So in the first one organization, that was 10 to 14 years, it was junk jock, junk walk. Okay, you can see here it has mentioned with a black color, junk walk. So junk walk, which you can see in this organization, is people like 10 to 14 years people were there. So this was founded in 1922. 4 years later, Hitler just he renamed this, and after that, in the second one, you can see 14 to 18, which you can see it is Hitler Youth. So it was renamed by Hitler Youth, and where they learn to worship war, glory, aggression, and violence. Condemn democracy and hate all undesirable. So it was, just used to teach them कि worship war glory and aggression, कि बहुत aggressive उनको बनाया गया, violence and condemn means to deny, okay, democracy and hate all undesirable. Clear? Then all other youths organization was systematically dissolved and finally banned. So what Hitler did, Hitler ने जितने भी अदर जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे फॉर्म हुए थे उन सबको डिसॉल्व कर दिया, एंड फाइनली उन्होंने सारे अदर जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थे, यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सारे बैंड कर दिए, बिकॉज ही ऑलरेडी ही ऑल्सो formed an organization which was the spirit of national socialism. Clear, student? Next is Nazi cult of motherhood. So the Nazi cult of motherhood, it is, difference between men and women exist. So that time men were required to aggressive, masculine, and brave hearted. They should be ready to fight, and females characteristics were be good mother and rare pure, rare pure blooded Aryan children, and to keep distance themselves from cherished Nazis values. Hitler thought women are most important citizen of my nation. How? Because through the women only, they just gave birth to child. It should be Nordic Aryan only, okay, not Jews. So that's why they were, punished who produce racially desirable चिल्ड्रन मीन नॉर्डिक आर्यन बेबी ना होने पे क्या होता था, उन्हें पनिश किया जाता था. इन अपोजिट दे वर अवॉर्डेड. अगर इसी के जस्ट अपोजिट इफ़ यू टॉक, द वीमेन जो नॉर्डिक आर्यन बेबी को जो बर्थ करते थे, बॉर्न होता था, बेबी बर्थ होता था, तो इन दैट केस दे वर अवॉर्डेड फ्री ट्रीटमेंट, लाइक फ्री ट्रीटमेंट उन्हें दिया जाता था, फ्री ट्रैवल टिकट्स इन्हें मिलते थे, मोस्ट ऑफ द फैसिलिटीज़, इवन फॉर शॉपिंग जो है उनको फैसिलिटीज़ मीन्स फ्री शॉपिंग करवाई जाती थी. एवरीथिंग द फैसिलिटीज़ वर अवॉर्डेड टू देम. नेक्स्ट दे वर ऑनर्ड, क्रॉस वर्ड अवॉर्डेड ऑल्सो, मीन्स लाइक gold medal, bronze medal, silver medal were, like according to the stage. Like a lady, if she birth 4 babies, okay, so that time she got bronze, 6 babies silver, and 8 babies gold. So according to the category wise they were getting honored crosses. Clear? So there was no equality between women. You can see there was no equality, even male and between male and female we can see there were no equality. Even between women also there were no equality between women, because you can see the women, those who uh, Nordic Aryan babies, if she has, yes, she was awarded. Agar nahi hai, so she was getting punished. Okay, so but how and why they were punished? Because you can see, if this was the condition, so how the women were getting punished. So women having relation with Jews, if women having relation with Jews, Poles and Russian, so this their head were shaved. इन दिस केस उनके हेड जो है वो शेव करवा दिए जाते थे. फेसेस वर पेंटेड ब्लैक एंड परेडेड थ्रू द टाउन. पूरे टाउन में उसने ऐसी कंडीशन में परेड करवाई जाती थी, घुमाया जाता था. मैनी रिसीव्ड जेल सेंटेंसेस. इनमें से बहुत सारे जो ऐसे थे जिनको जेल में भेज दिया जाता था. एंड लॉस्ट देयर सिविक ऑनर. जितने भी सिविक ऑनर हैं, उनका जितने भी अधिकार हैं, राइट्स हैं, वो उनसे छीन लिए जाते थे. सो दिस वॉज कंसिडर्ड एज क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस, so this was related with national order, right? So this was the condition in this time of women's. Next is art of propaganda. What is art of propaganda, student? So we'll discuss here art of propaganda. Like I'll discuss here only. So Nazis used to playing with the words. Okay, they were always used. They used to always use positive words, which looks like okay, this is okay, but yes, indirectly they were, when they were killing people, it was not looking like cruel. So you can see, student, mass killing was termed as special treatment. Okay, they were calling mass killing means when they were killing people in mass, in large scale. So that time it was termed as a special treatment. वो कहते थे कि इनका special treatment हो रहा है. Final solution for the Jews only. और Jews के लिए जो भी suggestion दिया जाता था, that was called solution, final solution. Okay, case with gas chamber. एंड यू कैन सी, विच आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, गैस चैम्बर का जो केस होता है, गैस चैम्बर में लोगों को डाल दिया जाता था, उन्हें मार दिया जाता था. तो इट वॉज टर्म्ड एज डिसइंफेक्शन एरिया. ओके, गैस चैम्बर एरिया वॉज कॉल्ड डिसइंफेक्शन एरिया. मीन्स कि यहाँ पे डिसइंफेक्ट किया जा रहा है उस एरिया को. टेकिंग पीपल टू गैस चैम्बर वॉज नोन एज इवैक्यूएशन. Okay, when they used to send people to gas chamber, that was known as evacuation होता है किसी गलत चीज़ को क्या कर देना, ख़त्म कर देना, right? So this type of words they were using. Gas chamber looked like bathroom equipped. It was looking like bathroom equipped with shower head. But in this chamber they released poisonous gas. But it was looking like bathroom. But people को जब उसके अंदर भेज दिया जाता था, उनके कपड़े वपड़े उतार दिए जाते थे. They removed their shoes and then they sent to the people in gas chamber. तो लोगों को ये लगता था कि ओके, जस्ट शावर के लिए अंदर जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि नाम भी उन्होंने स्पेशल दिया था, स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट, राइट, डिसइंफेक्शन एरिया. सो दैट्स वाई पीपल को ये लगता था कि बड़े खुश होके जाते थे कि हाँ, शायद यहाँ पे शावर वगैरह हो रहा है. सो बट वहाँ पे एक पॉइजनस गैस रिलीज़ कर दी जाती थी ताकि लोग उससे क्या हो जाए, मर जाए. यूज़ ऑफ मीडिया इन स्प्रेडिंग नाजीज प्रोपेगेंडा. नाजीज प्रोपेगेंडा, मीडिया का सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ हुआ, राइट. दे यूज़ मीडिया. Nazis ideas were spread through visual image. Now through the media एक पॉजिटिव मैसेज जो है लोगों को दिया जाने लगा. विजुअल इमेजेस दिए जाने लगे, फिल्म्स फॉर्म होने लगी, रेडियो, पोस्टर्स, स्लोगन्स. सो थ्रू दिस उनको लोगों को आइडियाज़ दिए जाते थे. सोशलिस्ट एंड लिबरल्स रिप्रेजेंटेड एज वीक. सोशलिस्ट और लिबरल्स को दे रिप्रेजेंटेड एज वेरी वीक. Okay, use of movies to stereotype, that is the external Jews. There is a movie, student, external Jew. So through this movie यहाँ पे क्या किया जाता था, they show through the movie peoples are very weak, very poor, very बहुत ख़राब जो है ज्यूज़ को दिखाया जाता था, एंड कंपेरेटिवली नाजीज़ को बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंट किया गया इन दिस मूवी. सो दे कंपेयर ज्यूज़ विद डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स, एंड दे कंपेयर ज्यूज़ इन डिफरेंट, लाइक रोडेंट हो गया, बहुत गंदे गंदे एनिमल्स से उन्हें कंपेयर किया जाने लगा. नाजीज़ वर्कड ऑन द माइंड्स ऑफ पीपल एंड देयर इमोशन. तो नाजी क्या करते थे, बहुत ही अपने माइंड से गेम प्लान करते थे, एंड दे played with emotions, played with people's emotions. So ordinary people and the crimes against humanity, that was the crime only, okay, against humanity. So how did the people react to Nazism? In this situation, how people react to Nazism? Supporter of Nazis. So there was some supporter who support Nazis. Nazi ideology was overruling their mind, right? They created hearted, hatred and anger against those who looked like Jews. जो भी Jews की तरह लगता था, उनके मन में जो है उनके लिए हेट क्रिएट करना स्टार्ट हो गया. हाउसेस ऑफ Jews were marked. ज्यूज़ के जो घर होते थे उनको मार्क कर दिया जाता था. सस्पिशियस नीबर्स रिपोर्टेड, और उन्हें कहा जाता था कि ज्यूज़ हैं और ये अभी हमारे पास में रह रहे हैं. सो उनको अलग से इन सोसाइटी दे वर जस्ट लुक लाइक डिफरेंट, राइट? एंड देन they believe that Nazism will bring prosperity and improve general well-being. और इनको ये विश्वास दिलाया गया कि जो नाजिज्म है they will bring prosperity and improve general well-being. बहुत अच्छा जो है ये नाजिज्म कर रहे हैं और आगे जाके बहुत अच्छा करेंगे. अब इनमें जो नॉन नाजीज थे, they organized active resistance against Nazism, braving policies and repression and deaths. However, many were passive onlookers and pathetic witnesses who were too scared to act, to differ, to protest. राइट? तो इनमें से कुछ ऐसे लोग भी थे जो बहुत डरते थे कुछ बोलने के लिए अगेंस्ट नाजीज. पेस्चस निमोलर, दैट इज़ अ पर्सन, पेस्चस निबोलर, wrote against all this, what Jews fell in Nazis Germany. It's okay, he wrote against the Germans. So you can see this is a poem. You can see this was written by Pestus Niemöller, and what he wrote in this poem: German farmer, you belong to Hitler, why? Okay, so here you can see the German farmer stands in between two great dangers today. The one danger, American economic system, big capitalism. The other is the Marxist economic system of Bolshevism. Big capitalism and Bolshevik work hard hand in hand. They are born of Jewish thought and serve the master plan of Bolshevik, who alone can rescue the farmer from these dangers. So this was kind of the posters were made, written for him. So you can see, student, here I just wanted to show you one poem, but okay, yeah. Okay, so here ordinary people and the crimes against humanity, which was I was telling you about this topic and I just skipped in the previous page, sorry. So here student, as I said, Pestur Niemöller, he wrote against all this, and he used these words against the people, Nazis. So here he wrote movingly about this silence. First they came for communist. Well, I was not a communist, so I said nothing. Then they came for the social democrats. Well, I was not a social democrat, so I did nothing. Then they came for the trade unionist, but I was not a trade unionist. But then they came for the Jews, but I was not a Jew, so I did little. Then when they came for me, there was no one left who could stand up for me, because everyone, like communist, democrats, unionists, Jews, every people were died this time. And when they came for me, when they came to kill this person, okay, then he said there was no one left could stand for me. That time no one was there to take stand for me. Okay, so this is very beautiful poem. It was mentioned or written by Pastor Niemöller. Next is what Jews fell in Nazis Germany. Okay, so during this time, Charlotte Bader wrote in third batch of drains. In this book, she wrote the problems Jews face. Okay, what were the problems faced by Jews? It was mentioned that Jews themselves began believing in the Nazis stereotype about them. Now, Jews also started believing on them. Whatever the Nazis were saying for them, like we are Jews are looking like animals. They started compare the people with the animals, rodent and all. So they also think about that. They also started believing on them. So all the stereotype images published in Nazi, press haunted the Jews. Hooked nose, black hair, and eyes. So this images published in Nazi's press. Third, Jews died many deaths, even they reached in gas chambers. अब ये क्या हुआ, Jews बहुत ज़्यादा Jews जो हैं वो मरने लगे थे क्योंकि इन्हें कहाँ पहुँचा दिया जाता था, चैम्बर में पहुँचा दिया जाता था. Okay, so we'll continue this chapter in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.